Hello, Swarna ma'am. Shall we start? Okay. A very good afternoon to all present over here in the second technical session at the one-day state level webinar on website development using WordPress and Python, GUI and VUI, Tkinter, organized by the BCA Science Department of Pratibha College of Commerce and Computer Studies, Chinchwad, Pune. Today, 13th September 21, Thursday, we are at the middle of the day and starting with the second technical session on Python GUI and VUI Tkinter by Mrs. Deepali Dumar ma'am. Those audience have not joined in the morning inaugural session. For them, we are again introducing ma'am by Professor Rupali Deshpande madam. Rupali ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Aparna ma'am. Let me introduce the guest speaker of session 2 of today's state level webinar. I'm very pleased to introduce the dynamic personality for this session, Mrs. Deepali Dumar madam from Anantrao Thopte College, Bhur. Today, as you all have seen, she is going to uh, deliver a session, hands-on session on Python Tkinter, GUI as well as VUI. She has many qualifications, including MCA, Master of Computer Applications, as well as BA and MA History and B.Ed English, as well as D.Ed. So she has been fascinated to practice unique teaching practices and has a good rapport with students. She has conducted training for computer teachers and has conducted around 12 plus webinars and guest lectures in various colleges affiliated to Pune University in various topics like AngularJS, full stack development using MeanStack, jQuery, backend development using Node.js, and many more such topics. She has many books published on her name on AngularJS, some of which are on AngularJS, Node.js, MongoDB, information technology for 11th and 12th Science and Commerce and Arts College, and her upcoming book will be published on Python. So I hope you all will enjoy the hands-on session and will be gaining the knowledge regarding GUI as well as VUI regarding Python. So I welcome Deepali ma'am again. Are you there, ma'am? Over to you now. Deepali ma'am.
Hello, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There for starting points, I have light issue.
Okay.
Okay. So give me 5 minutes. I will share again my screen.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. In between 5 minutes, I will start my presentation again.
Yes. Yes. No problem.
Deepali ma'am,
Yes,
share
yes, yes.
option is visible to you now.
I'm checking now. Wait a minute. I'm
Okay.
checking now. Okay. Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, we will check again. Actually, you have logged in from two places, no, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, one we have made you presenter. Now second login also I'm checking. Uh, but we are seeing only one login, ma'am, yours, and that we have made you presenter. Hello, Deepali ma'am, can you hear me? Yes, ma'am, your screen is visible. Hello, Deepali ma'am. I think your mic is switched off. If you have started speaking, we are not able to hear you.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes. Yes, yes. Now you're on.
Okay.
We could not hear you at all.
Okay, okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So we are start our presentation right now. Again, very warm welcome all the participants in the world of Python. Okay, this is the tremendous word of a Python. Why I call the tremendous word of a Python? Because using the Python, we can build a lot many things. Okay, but today's session, I would like to introduce the two aspects of Python, that is the GUI development and VUI development. Okay, as we already know about the VUI development, GUI development, that is the graphical user interface. It is a form of user interface which allows user to interact with computers through the visual indicator using items such as logo or icons, or we can say windows, okay, etc. See, it is advantage overcome to the CUI. So in the CUI, so CLI, here we use the command line as the interface, but in the GUI, we use these lots of icons to interact with the machine. Okay, so today's session is based on the Python and the Python's library tkinter. This Python's library tkinter, which is used to develop a GUI in a Python. See, next session or next topic that I am going to cover up the PUI. Everyone aware of the PUI. In the last session, we will discuss I'm going to show you the demonstration of this VUI, okay, in detail. So these three are the basically interfaces we use to communicate with the machine. First one is a CLI, then VUI and GUI. Okay. See, first sentence I tell you about the tremendous word of a Python. See, why I call the tremendous word? Because this Python helps us to build lot many things. Okay, in a single language, you can build up this lot of things. It is done possible through the Python. Okay, so first thing we can build a console application, business application, web application, as well as a enterprise application, software development. If you want to develop a scientific and numeric application, at that time also Python is helpful us. Okay, so as also you can build a audio or video based applications also. So this is the miracle of, I think, as I hope that the Python is a miraculous language. Okay, why I called it is a miracle? Because it is quite simple. Only its name suggests that horrible Python, but it's quite easy. We can freely download it because it is a open source. Okay, it is compatible with all OS, all updated browsers, and the most important thing is the libraries. This is the best and evergreen, I call it the evergreen feature of Python, that is the libraries. See, how can we build up these applications? Okay, I think your screen is displaying. See, how can we build up these all the application with the help of these libraries? So Python comes of a lot of libraries. Okay, so using this library we can build up lot many things, and that's why in today's each and every company must recommend the icon. So these are some common names or big companies that have already used the Python. Okay, so uh, for using the Python, how can you use the Python? For that, I have already told you about. You first you have to download the Python on your machine, and then you can choose any IDE. Okay, this is the recommended IDE for Python. The PyCharm is the best IDE for development of Python. If you want to become a professional, at that point of view, you have to use this PyCharm. But today's session, I'm going to use the Visual Code Studio Code Editor. Okay, you can use any editor. See, to the point, our session point, that Python's development, if you want to develop a desktop application using Python, to create an interface using a Python provides us these 4 types of library: CV, Qt, WX for Windows, and this is the tkinter. Okay, tkinter, we are using the Python library. So this Python library or tkinter library contains lots of modules or not lots of functionality. Okay, by using we can develop our GUI. So see, as I told you that tkinter is a standard GUI library for Python. Okay, it comes. One thing you keep in mind that we need not no need to download or install it. It comes with the Python itself. What is the structure or what is the way? How can we create a GUI application? These 4 points you have to keep in mind. First thing that you have to import a tkinter module, then you create a main window, then you have to add the widget, and then you have to enter a event loop. Okay, getting. See, this is the
Excuse
basic
me, madam.
structure of
Excuse me.
basic
Excuse me, madam.
structure of Python. See, I think
Hello.
your screen. This is the basic structure of a
Hello.
Python. First, we have to
Excuse
import
me, madam. Hello.
tkinter module in your application. Then you have to create main window for your GUI. That is a container for your widget. And then
Hello,
you
Dipali
have to
ma'am.
add the widget
Excuse
and
me, ma'am.
enter the main loop. So now I'm going to show you the one snap of a tkinter's first program. So see, this is the first program. Here we
Participants,
are going
please
to
wait
create
for 2
one
minutes.
main
We are
application.
contacting.
For that purpose, first I have to create, or everyone have to import the TK inter. So this line is mandatory because using this line we are going to import the TK inter module in our program, and afterwards then we have to create our main window. Then we are going to add the widgets and the main event loop. Okay, what is this TK? To create what this TK indicates us. See, it is a function. So to create a main window, TK inter offers a method called TK. This is the main method which offered by the TK inter, which is help to us to create a window. So these methods or these functions lots of parameters. For example, screen name, base name, class name, whatever. Okay. The next here, next thing, the main loop. This is the main loop. What is this main loop indicates? Is the there is a method known by the name main loop is used when your application is ready to run. Main loop is a infinite loop. See, main loop as indicates us that is the infinite. Okay, it is an infinite loop. It is used to tell the interpreter that display that window till the window will not get closed manually. Okay, so this is the mandatory. These 4 lines you have a mandatory when you want to write a TK inter code. First thing you have to import. Second, you have to create a one instance for that module. Okay, for that class. Then adding some widgets and then main event loop. Okay. Now I want to show you the practical demonstration of this. So I'm going to switch to the Visual Studio Code editor.
Ma'am, hello. Can you hear me? Deepali ma'am?
Now you are able to see the Visual Studio editor. Let me know. Okay. So I'm going to show you the practical demonstration of this code. I think it's a little bit smaller. Yes or no? Can it readable? Can it readable? Let me know.
Hello, ma'am.
Inserting. Sorry, here I'm importing TK inter module, and this star indicates. This star indicates whole module or whole class I'm going to include my application. Okay. Then here a reference variable and the class. This TK inter module. See, if you place the mouse pointer over here, it indicates you the importance of that.
Hello, Deepali ma'am.
Excuse me, madam, not clearly audible.
तुम्हाला माझा येतो का?
Please stop the hissing sound.
मॅम तुम्हाला ऐकू येतोय आवाज माझा?
हा राईट नाव मॅडम, आता येत नव्हता आवाज.
हा ऍक्च्युली तुमच्या इकडनं ना डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय काहीतरी व्हॉइसचा, तर त्यामुळे क्लिअर ऐकायला येत नाहीये. तुम्ही आता बोलून बघा परत.
हॅलो, आवाज येतोय मॅडम?
हो आता येतोय, आणि आता मला वाटतं येतोय क्लिअर, कारण मगाशी खूप डिस्टर्बन्स येत होता.
हो का? नाही मला आवाजच येतो.
हा तुम्हाला आवाज येत नव्हता.
शॅल आय रिपीट इट अगेन मॅडम?
येस चालेल थोडंसं केलं तर मॅडम. हो
ओके. फ्रॉम विच स्लाइड्स आय हॅव टू रिपीट इट अगेन मॅडम?
किती 1-2 स्लाइड्स चालतील, आणि थोडंसं परत मध्ये टेस्ट करा, विचारा आम्हाला येतोय का आवाज ऐकायला जसं.
ओके चालेल. Actually I am joined with my microphone, that's why I am not able to hear your voice.
Yes.
Okay, again I am going to share my screen.
Yes. Now the voice seems to be okay, but still let us test it again.
Okay. Again, no problem. I'm going to repeat it again.
Yeah.
Now you are able to view the screen. इथून आपण स्टार्ट करूयात का पुन्हा?
हो चालेल. पार्टिसिपेंट्स, हा ह्याच्या पुढची स्लाइड चालेल मला वाटतं. पार्टिसिपेंट्स कॅन ऑल्सो सजेस्ट.
See, Python provides us these 4 libraries. Okay, Python provides us these 4 libraries to develop the GUI. Among these 4 libraries, we are cover up this tkinter right now. Okay, so what is this tkinter? See, the tkinter is a built-in or a by default library which is helpful to build a GUI in our application. Okay, so what is the structure or what is the tkinter programming? So for that, these 4 lines you have to keep in mind. That first is that you have to import the tkinter module in your application. Then you have to create an application window. Then you have to add one or more applications just to your GUI. Then you enter the main event loop. Okay. The next thing, this is the basic structure. Okay, this is the flow of our tkinter program. So for that purpose, first you have to, again I'm going to repeat, first you have to import tkinter module, then create your main window, then adding your widgets into app, and then enter your main event. See, what is the main event? See, this is, see?
Hello, Deepali ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, there is again a disturbance. Can you just join only by one device? Can we try that?
Okay, then from here I'm going to end my, and then I will join with, wait a minute.
Now you have joined through laptop also as well as mobile phone also, no?
Yes.
So which will be must be creating the disturbance?
See, now I'm only from one device.
Okay.
Huh.
Now I think it is okay.
Okay, let me share my screen
Yes.
again.
Yes.
Okay, let me share my screen again. Now it's fine. Screen is visible to you?
Yes. Screen is also visible and the voice also is okay right now.
Okay, right now.
Yeah.
I'm joining from both devices. That's why it's making a trouble. Okay.
Maybe.
See, again, I have to cover up this point.
No, ma'am.
Shall
You
I
can
continue with the
yes.
practical demonstration?
Yes. Yes. You can continue.
Okay, let me start my first editor. This is the basic structure. See, this is the basic structure.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I think the presentation is quite slower than my teaching. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, hello, madam.
Hello.
हाँ बोला कोण आहे? Yes.
मॅडम ते इनलार्ज करता येतं ना वरनं जे ॲरो आहे ना प्लस मायनस प्लस आणि त्याच्यानंतर
Yeah, I know. That's not I know. But now I am try to open the Visual Studio Editor. See, for that I am going to use the Visual Studio Code Editor.
Simultaneously.
Okay, huh. So we will see the practical demonstration of the first window creation. So again, I'm going to repeat 4 points. That's for tkinter. You need not to install it. It comes with the Python by default. So only pip install tkinter. This command is used to checking the version or checking the tkinter's installation. Okay. See, now I'm going to show you the practically demonstration of this window. See here. Again, I'm going to repeat the code. See, from this line here, we are going to import the tkinter module. This star indicates the whole module we are going to importing. Using this window reference variable, we are going to import the methods, that tkinter method. Using this tkinter method, we are going to create one instance as a window.title. See, this title method is used to display the string on the title bar of your window. So I want to display the tkinter demo on the title bar of my window. So here I mentioned tkinter. See, for adjusting the size, height and width of our window, here I use the geometry and give some value. Using this value, I'm going to fix the size of my window. So here, for run the code, here you have to type Python, then your file name. My file name is win.py, and while entering the keyword, see, you can able to view you are not able to view the window created by this program. See, and it displays the tkinter as a title bar, because I type here the tkinter demo in the title bar method. Then one widgets here I already used here, widgets, the welcome in the webinar, so it displays in me on the window. Okay, so this we are going to create our first program. Again, back to our presentation. See here, widgets. The next concept I have to explain you that the tkinter widgets. Widgets means what? It is a graphical user interface. Using these widgets, we are going to provide the user, we are going to provide the interface to the user. It is similar to the HTML forms element. Likewise, if you want to give user a single line data entry, we prefer the text box, checkbox, radio button, likewise. So in Python, that elements we can call as a tkinter widgets. It's fine? Understood? So label, checkbox, radio button, these are the elements. Okay. See, there are 19 widgets we can create with the help of the tkinter module. Okay. For example, button entry for creation of a single line data entry, or it is similar to the text box. Message, it is quite similar to the text area, canvas, frame, menu bar, file. Okay, these are the widgets provided by tkinter. Every widget has some attributes like the font, color, bitmap, anchor. We can add this as per our requirement. Okay, these are some common attributes. Then next thing is the geometrical arrangement. For making the height, width, position of your widgets, here some methods we have to use, that is the peg, grid and the place method as well. Okay, see, this is the example of a one attribute I have chosen for demonstration purpose. For example, color. As you know, that the color attribute is used for coloring our widgets. Okay, I think it's displaying on the screen little bit slower. So these are some properties. For activate a background, for you can use the active background, foreground. For that you can use a foreground also. See, this is one example here I use to demonstrate the practically for the background. Okay, so let's check the background color. See here, Python, and your file name you have to mention over here, file name. Okay, then if you place the enter, see, your applications Windows background color will get changed according to your desire. See, if I want to, here I mentioned the pink color, so it displays in a pink color. If I change the color, if you change the color from here, see, if I want to change the color, for example, green, okay, and save it, and you have to close this window. Why you have to close this window? Because here we inform it that it is a infinite loop. So till the user can close manually, at that time only it will get closed. Okay, so let's check. See, the green color will get applied to our window. Fine. So next thing, the tkinter module. Actually, this tkinter module is wrapped with the function tk or tclk. So this tkinter provides classes which allows the display and the positioning and the control of widget. This is the top level widget, our tkinter, which holds the other widgets. Okay, so this is already example I have demonstrate already you. Now see the bitmap images. Okay, so what is this bitmap? Can you view the bitmap screen? A bitmap is an array. See, a bitmap is an array of binary data representation, the values of pixels in an image. Okay, so this is the code where I used to create a bitmap. This is the output, okay, of that code. Then next thing is how can we add the widgets? There is some syntax we have to follow to adding the widgets. First of all, you have to load a widget class from tkinter. Then you have to make an instance of it. Okay. Then you have to arrange the widget in the parent window widget and enter the event loop. For example, see here, from tkinter, we are going to import the label widget here. We are going to create an instant or making an instant of this label using widget. And here we are going to place the widget on the parent window and the enter loop. This is the structure of the, or we can say this is the syntax of adding the images or adding the widgets on the screen. Okay, see, here I use the grid method to place the label on the screen. Okay, here I use the grid method to display the screen. Next thing, see, from now we are going to insert some what we can say, the widgets. Now here the first widget that I choose to demonstrate you, that the frame. It works like a container which is responsible for arranging the position of the widgets. It uses the rectangular area, okay, or rectangular screen to hold the other widgets. Okay, see, how can we see the widgets? See, here I am going to use the frame widgets. Here I am going to import by using star. I am going to import all the modules related to the widgets. Here the frame widgets. See, the message is displaying. Frame widgets which may contain other widgets and can have a 3D border. Okay, can you view the screen now? Here I use the frame module or frame widgets. With the pack method, I am going to place the that frame on the image. See, Python. Again, your file name. For example, here my file name is 2. See, here I create one frame which contains the buttons. This is the submit button. Okay, and place as the pack. pack method, using that pack method, we are going to place the button. See, here I place the left. So this is the position of the button is going to the left, right, according to my specification. Okay. If I click this button, the color will get changed. See, this is my first button, BT1. When I click over this button, the color will get changed. See, the color will get changed. Okay. If I click on the another button, again the color will get changed, because I define the active back color as a red and as a maroon. That's why it displaying the color changing. Getting? Madam, Rupali madam, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. Next widget that I want to show you, the button. Frequently use the widget. This widget is used to add the button. This is widget is add the button in a Python application. It is used to display the text and image on the button purpose. Okay, what is the syntax for that? First, you have to create one instance of this module, okay, of this class with the parameters. This is optional. See, master, sorry, this is a mandatory. Master means your application's name, okay, and this is a optional. Which value you want to display on that image, you have to specify from here also. Okay, so let's check the practical demonstration also. See, here I import the TK intern, make the instance of this button, and here okay, see, this button is getting created. Okay, submit button. See.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next one. Next one that I want to show you, the label. The label is used to specify the container box where we can place the text or messages. This widget is used to provide a message to user about the other widgets used in the Python application. Okay, here I create one label. The label displays the username and the password. What is the syntax? Similarly, variable, your widget name, and the master indicates your root window. Okay, for example, see here, L1. See, here in this program I create one entry box, or you can say that one text box and 3 labels, one message. Okay, so using this here we can create a graphical user interface using the label also. So here I type the silver medal. Okay, which name I should type over here in Tokyo Olympic? Who got the medal, silver medal? Anybody tell me? That's name I am going to type over here. Which name? This is the first medal in Tokyo 2021. Nobody knows? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are audible.
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, okay, fine. Let's move on. See. Similarly, entry, as I shown you that the entry widget is used to provide a single line text box to the user, where we can accept the value from the user, okay, and we'll go assign to the our application. Let's check. Here I create one label, 3 labels and 3 text boxes. Okay, Next thing I want to show you, I calculate one average using this. This is the result. So what I have did here, this is the geometry. Sorry, this not. See, here I define a function. In Python, if you want to define a function, you have to type the keyword def, and this is the function name, and this is the parameter. For this variable, I mention n1.get. N1 means what? Our entry name. Okay, our entry's name is the n1. So number 1. Okay, this is the number 1. See, next thing that I want to show you, the time module using the label widget from tkinter and the time module. Here I design one digital clock which displays the current time. For that, here I use the time module also. So upcoming demonstration, I will show you the how can we create our digital clock. Okay. See.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is the code. Create a digital clocks. Here, I import another module that is the time, and that time module I'm going to include this class str. It displays the string into formatted time. So if I place enter, see, this is our current time. Okay. Wait a minute. I think it's now it's going to display you. This is the current time. Getting? Using
Yes,
only 2 modules, we are going to develop our digital
hello?
module. Runtime. Okay. This is display the
Hello?
current time. Hello?
मैम मेरे को एक चीज समझ में नहीं है फ्रॉम टाइम इंपोर्ट स्ट्रिंग टाइम हम टाइम टू स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट टाइम हम कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं क्या वैसे
यस वो स्ट्रिंग का फॉर्मेट ये जो str टाइम है ना वो सी दिस इज द टाइम इज द रेडीमेड और वी कैन से द बिल्ट इन लाइब्रेरीज फ्रॉम दिस we are importing str time. This is the class which is used to convert the string format into time format. Okay. It retrieves. See, this class retrieves the system time. See, now the system times is one here. Observe here at that bottom. So it catch this or this access this time from system and transfer or convert into this string format. As we can see on this our label. This is our label. Okay. And I'm define using this function. So here I'm calling this function. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next thing I want to show you the most interesting part of today's session, that is voice user interface. Everyone heard about the Alexa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are developing our own Alexa, but not the same name Alexa. Here we give the name Ram. Okay. So see here. First I have to explain you. For that purpose, see, for when you want to develop VUI, at that time you have to include or you have to import these basic big 3 libraries. First one is the speak recognition. There are a lot of libraries are available, but I use this speech recognition, PyTTX3 and Play Audio. With the help of these 3 libraries, or you can call it a module, we can develop our own VUI, voice assistant. Okay. For that, you have to install. I have already installed this module, these 3 modules in my editor. So I'm not able to show you, demonstrate it you. But if you want to install, just type pip install and the command name or the package name. Okay. Or you can simply copy from its official website. This is the official website, pypip.org. Search your product name, and then copy and at the terminal enter this command. Okay, see what is this speech recognition do. See, this is a library. Speak recognition is a library, has many classes, but we can focusing on the recognizer. Recognizer will listen our and recognize our voice. Let's check first, then I will explain it to you. Observe carefully. B1. Hello, Ram. See at the terminal, you can able to see the hello Ram, which I already pronounced. Getting here? यहाँ देखो. Hello Ram.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, if I type, this is my second code, which I want to show you. Here I use the Ram, like Alexa. Okay. When we start the Alexa, we have to type the Alexa. Then only the Alexa will start. Okay. Similarly, in my code here, if I pronounce or if I call the RAM, at that time only the RAM will execute. Okay, or it displays me the message. Okay, let's check here. कहाँ पे देखना है आपको? At the terminal. Okay, it quite little bit, but fine. Hello Ram. Fine. Now, if I call the Sham, let's check, will it print or not? Okay. So, let's check. Hello Sham. इसने प्रिंट किया शाम?
नहीं.
नहीं किया. Why? Why? Because I use the RAM condition. Okay.
हमने RAM दिया है command.
RAM keyword in front of the if. So this
Yes,
line
yes.
indicates the interpreter that if the command contains
Ma'am, you are
the
not
RAM.
audible.
Huh?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ.
हाँ.
See, इसने शाम क्यों नहीं प्रिंट किया?
क्योंकि
Because
आपने कमांड में RAM डाला है.
yes, because I mentioned the RAM in the if case. That's why I'm going to tell it that if the RAM is there, then only you print the command. So again, if I type Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. See. Can you read it? Fine. Now I'm going to explain the code. Here we are importing our speech recognizer as a SR for a C recognizer. It is a library to perform the speech recognition with the several support engines, API online or offline. It uses the Google API. So it may be online and as well as offline also. Okay, getting here SR.microphone. Okay, this microphone class, see, this microphone is a class. We are going to create an instance of our microphone, which is similarly to our physical microphone. Okay, so it accepts our voice as an input and pass the input. See, pass this input. Okay, with the help of microphone, we are going to accept the voice or accept the input, and we are going to pass this input to the voice or Google recognizer, and then it will convert into the command. So it will use to display the command in the command line also. Okay, now next thing I want to show you my college name over here. Using this voice recognizer, I am going to search my college name and show you my college website to you. Observe my screen or observe my pointer, mouse pointer. Okay, you are able to view the mouse pointer, man?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, observe this mouse pointer. I'm not touching the mouse. See, I'm not touching a mouse. Mouse is a constant over here. You are able to view. When I place enter, see, when I play it will take few seconds, okay, for execution. So wait and watch, okay. Here search file which contains the searching instruction. So if I place the enter, it will search, okay. Search Anantrao Thopte College. Search Anantrao Thopte College.
Playing search Anantrao College.
Observe my mouse pointer. I'm not moving the mouse pointer, but still it open a new tab, okay, and it show you my college name. Can you read my college name right now? Without moving the mouse pointer, with the help of voice assistant, I'm going to show you my college name. Can you read the college name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So move on to our practical session. See how it possible. Similarly, for that, another two package I have to use here, or you have to use here, PyWhatKit. Okay, PyWhatKit is a library. Using this library, we are going to perform action based on your voice detection. Okay. Similarly, I want to show you one assistant. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. See, the next point that I want to show you that अभी ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन के कारण बच्चे थोड़े से लेजी हो गए है ना. So my kid also become a lazy. So for his work, I prepare one project. See, this is the chapter of 6th standard class. With the help of Python, my machine will read this chapter. Observe carefully what I did now. With the help of Python program, my machine will read the program. How? Let's check. For that, here you have to import py PDF reader. So here I'm going to demonstrate you. Okay, see, let's check. I think I spell mistake over here. Wait a minute. Okay, dot. I place the double dot over here, so it not playing. Okay. See.
7. We have a special trick to protect our eggs from predators. The egg looks like a stone. Monitor lizards, foxes, dogs, pigs, snakes, and eagles are enemies of my egg and chick. But my wife protects the egg from all of them. By the time our young one hatches out of the egg, rains arrive. There's plenty of grass, swarming with insects, fresh food for my family. Young ones of other birds soon fly away from the nest, but a great Indian bustard mother and chick stay together for nearly 1 year. The chick learns many good habits from the mother. You may have heard about a great human friend of ours, Dr. Salim Ali. He had even suggested that we should be given the status of the national bird of our country, but the honor went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. I am happy to tell you that I am the state bird of Rajasthan. We have got 10 sanctuaries for our protection, but sadly, our number is still going down. We used to live in all parts of India, but slowly the growing population of man pushed us away from more than 90% of our home regions. We are afraid of hunters that kill us for fun. We also die due to electric power lines that we can't see while flying. We are losing our homes. Today, only the last 200 of us are left in the world. We need your support and love in order to survive. Can you help us? You can write letters to your leaders and make an appeal to help us. You can make my drawing and submit it to your teacher. You can discuss this with your parents. Come to see us at a sanctuary, because now you will not see us in other places. And who knows? If humans don't help us, none of us will be left on the earth. You will only see us in pictures. Dr. Pramod Patil.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So everything is possible nowadays with the help of Python. So I insist everyone to use the Python. Okay. It quite easiest. It quite many things we can build up our own. Okay. See, only with the help of 10 lines, I'm going to able to read or create my own audio book. Okay. So Rupali madam. Rupali madam.
Yes, ma'am.
The next, I think, vote of thanks, and then we'll be play the national. Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
National anthem, no?
Okay, okay. Before starting the vote of thanks, let me share something to the attendees that we are going to end our session with a national anthem, and I want to play the national anthem with the help of voice assistant. Okay, so be ready for national anthem after vote of thanks. Madam, over to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, madam.
Okay. On behalf of Pratibha College of Commerce and Computer Study, I would like to thank Dr. I would like to thank Professor Dipali Dhumar ma'am for giving us exposure on Python TK Inter. Ma'am has explained right from scratch, that is how to import TK Inter module from Python to develop an application. It was really an wonderful session, ma'am. Okay, we were feeling just like we are in Wonderland, that here we are writing some few code and we can command to the Chrome, okay, to open the file, and also speech recognition. It was really a very wonderful session, and it was a worthy session. Thank you, ma'am. I'm sure all of you have enjoyed both the session and gained sufficient hands-on on WordPress and Python TK Inter. So among the audience, if anyone want to share their experience, can unmute themselves and share your experience. So anyone, if you want to share your experience, please raise your hand, and one by one you can unmute and share your experience. Yes, among audience. Anyone? Anything you want to share?
We would like to have feedback from at least one or two of you. Yes. Komal. Komal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can share your feedback.
It was really a nice experience. I enjoyed everything. I learned great many things, and I would like to thank all the professors for conducting this seminar. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, Komal ma'am. Is there anyone who wants to share the feedback? Yes, Supriya, please go ahead. Yes, Supriya, do you want to talk?
Okay, anyone want to express their views? Okay, it's fine then. So I will continue with the program. Lastly, again, I would like to thank all dignitaries of our college. I would also like to thank again to our resource person of the program, Dr. Rupali ma'am and Professor Dipali Dhumay ma'am for their wonderful session. I would also like to thank our program coordinator, Professor Suvarna Gokte ma'am, faculty of our BCA Science, Professor Aparna Kode ma'am, Professor Rupali Deshpande ma'am. I would also like to thank Mr. Gunjan sir for their technical support. And last but not least, I would like to thank all the participants for patiently listening. Thank you, participants, for your cooperation. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello, everyone. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is our last program. With the
Yes.
help of voice assistant, I am going to play the national anthem. Shall I play, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is our code. Let's check. Now, everyone, please ready for national anthem.
Yes, ma'am.
Requesting you all to stand on your place.
Play national anthem. Play national anthem.
Playing national anthem.
So it automatically plays the national anthem. See, if the ad will occur, then I will only use the mouse. Otherwise not. See, I think this is the ad. It's come from YouTube. So I am going to skip it.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, all of you.
It was very nice. Yes. Hello, Deepali ma'am, it was really very nice.
Yes, one announcement for the audience. Please, the feedback link is on the WhatsApp group. So please
Yes,
fill up that one to get the certificate. I repeat,
yes,
the
ma'am.
feedback link will be posted on the WhatsApp group, and you will get the certificate after filling the feedback form. Thank you.
It may take a little bit of time to share the feedback link, but today only we are going to share it. And then please fill the feedback form to get the certificate. I hope the doubt is clear. If you do have any kind of queries, you can post it on group. We will try our best to sort out. Even the recording of the both the sessions will give on WhatsApp group also, and we will give you a YouTube link for that. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you to attend. Once I request Deepali ma'am to be there for some time so that we can take some pictures. Before that, I request all the participants, for whoever or whomever be possible, turn on your cameras so that we can take some pictures. Deepali ma'am, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Done. Thank you, participants. Thank for your support. And thank you, Deepali ma'am, Rupali ma'am, for your knowledge sharing. So here I declare program is over. Once again, I'm telling you, we will share the link on WhatsApp group for feedback forms. You have to fill those feedback forms, then you'll get the certificate. Even we'll share the recording YouTube recording on YouTube, and we'll share the link of YouTube on your WhatsApp group. On this note, thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Rupali ma'am, be there. We will take some photographs.
Deepali ma'am, are you there?
Other participants, please leave. Thank you so much for your attendance.